Help Center Tutorials. How to consult from the administrator interface an inventory recorded on POS. Once a cashier or a manager has performed an inventory on the POS from the store, the data entered is sent directly to the administration interface. The administrator can then consult the recorded inventories from his web interface or on his mobile application myPrecision. To do so, simply log into the myPrecision administrator interface. On the menu bar on the left side of the screen, scroll down to the Stock Management section and then go to the Inventories rubric. Choose the city where the store you are interested in is located from the cities displayed on the left. Then choose the store from the available stores. You will then have the list of the inventories made in the store you have selected, with the number and the date below the title of each operation to make your research easier. To access the details of each operation, simply go to Detail in green on the right. The column Quantity will contain the data inserted by the person who will have performed the inventory from the POS. The column Theoretical Stock will contain the stock calculated by the system and which will have taken into account the restocking, the sales, the returns, but also the losses. The column Difference will inform you about the gap between what is supposed to be in your stock, the theoretical stock, and the actual available stock that will have been counted by the person who will have performed the inventory. A negative difference could be the result of unrecorded merchandise receptions, unrecorded product cancellations, returns or exchanges. Accuracy problem of the data sheets of the finished products, in this case, the quantities of raw materials or inbound products are higher than the quantities of production really required. Incorrect setting of the product sold in pack, in this case, the quantities of finished products indicated in each pack are higher than the real quantities contained in the pack. Products that cannot be returned to stock are labeled as returnable. A positive difference could be the result of unrecorded sales, unrecorded losses, an error in the recording of merchandise reception. Accuracy problem of the data sheets of the finished products, in this case, the quantities of raw materials or inbound products are lower than the quantities of production really required. Incorrect setting of the product sold in pack, in this case, the quantities of finished products indicated in each pack are lower than the real quantities contained in the pack. And last but not least, products that can be returned to stock are labeled as non-returnable.